Hey guys, so one of the ways on how you can play crossplay between Steam and Xbox for the Astroneer is that when you're gonna have only through G-Portal Nitrado. So when you're gonna have Nitrado, you need to rent a dedicated server that you're gonna connect it to, and then you're gonna play on together. So how it works is that you just have to come here to Nitrado. There are also guides on YouTube. You're gonna choose the location where you're from, and then you're gonna choose a package and you're gonna continue. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. So that's how you're gonna do it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.